Choje manya makpama bua ma ebe dada kare di ho ma ho nu gbela danye gbele dia jo igbo de mate ochimu okuavo de mate ochimu jela ojima afira ofiembana hade hui malaysia de mate ochimu okuavo de mate ochima jela ojima afira ofi.
So hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. If you are new, welcome. Why don't you make yourself a family by subscribing? And also if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to my channel today. I just wanted to quickly just pop on here and just tell you a little bit about today's episode. A lot of you want to see my face. I don't know why. Rather than me doing a voiceover too much, I decided to pop on here and just, say hi and then just talk about today's video. So basically, today's video is preparing. This was the day that I arrived. So we're just kind of doing little preparations, and also I was spending the day kind of just chilling with my grandma and see how she is and all that stuff, and then just sort of exploring around town, doing like a mini exploring just for today. And then later on I'm going to show you around the town. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the funeral in the next video, because that will be the day we get things pretty much on the move. I just hope that you obviously just enjoy the video, enjoy the views, enjoy the surrounding, enjoy the jokes. There's a lot of jokes in my family, especially my brother. He's crazy. So just enjoy the video. So guys, as you can see, we are just basically just trying to, tidy up around the house, kind of renovate a few places. We're in the middle of kind of like doing the rooms up and stuff. This room right here is where my dad usually stays when he comes to the Volta region. And this is the first time I'm stepping into his room since he passed away. And the feeling, it's just overwhelming. It just feels really, really bizarre. As you can see, there's a lot going on in here. We've just had a new floors done, and also, trying to revamp the room up a little bit. But yeah, everything feels so strange right now. Good afternoon. Drums. That's it. So guys, as you can see, this is a well, one of the old-fashioned wells in Ghana. We actually have two wells in the house. I remember when I was so young, I used to fetch water from this well, and these kids, sometimes people need water, they come to the house and come and fetch water. I saw her doing it, and the way she was doing it, moving fast. She just left the thing on top of the water for it to slowly go in. So I wanted to show her the trick that we used to do when we were younger. Like, wiggle it around a little bit for the water to quickly sip into it, and then, you lift it out. So that's what I was trying to do. And she was telling me that her name is Yayra, which is like, she's my namesake. So I just wanted to help her,
One, you can go down there.
No. Kenyale atawe.
Aro photo la bien là.
Photo na me.
Quelle photo ma fille?
Wala ka.
Derrière ma, aro te photo là.
No yima gwa fie.
Eh de lo chiako. Video aro okay. Okay, how are you enjoying it? So good, man. That's beautiful. Elmarama. Okay. That's nice. Can you go and say hello to mommy?
I'm not going to but Rokubobu Waraniba. Oh, Koromovalo. Oh, now what I see. Ragwe.
I have a treat. Oh, you want to So this is the huge mango tree that my dad usually sits under to just chillax, Anytime somebody's looking for him, you know that he's always here. This is where we always find him, just talking to his friends or just sitting down and just, thinking about stuff. But yeah, there's always mango trees on the floor, but I can't see any right now. Maybe it's not the season, I'm not sure. It's usually falling on the floor and you get people picking it up, but yeah. This is his space. This time around I've come to Ghana, everything just feels odd, kind of bizarre. Like, I keep looking for him to just talk to him, but he's not around.
Yala choje manya makpama bua ma ebe dada kare di ho ma ho nu gbala danye gle dia dro igbo de mate ochimu okuofo de mate ochimu jela ojima afira ofiemba na hadewe malaysia de mate ochimu okuavo de mate ochima jela ojima afira ofiemba hadewe malaysia makeno ala ga kwa hadewo dinyo avoibo inwa yamano ala mapochizo yanyo avoibo chinwa Nyela choye manya makpa ma bua ma ebe dada kare di ho ma ho nu gbere danye ble dia do igbo kake di ho ma ho nu gbo ye dada ble dia do igbo lo nyela choye manya makpa ma bua ma ebe dada.
Hold up, ya va bo. Wo bona. Ona mo ti bona. Nke na du. Chips na to. Ah, eh aga no. Ma. Ah, na ma na one ma. Oh, okay. Oh, baby. Baby ma. Show.
I need some more.
Have you finished? She wants more.
I will not toy not on Alicia Sama.
Just a for me.
I'm a Makelado.
Hey,
Just for me.
Ghana. Hey, I'm all like she not. I walk with my Gigi. In case of my dog or Gigi,
What did you make?
Did you like the mama and if you're?
I see I like back long or like a dog here, church, I won't younger.
That one I will cornrow. Mafuda gani la? Your princess ah.
When I back,
We get to go na la. Alo tabla.
oh, my tablet. I like Jessia.
I'm not gonna go trouser.
Do queve. So guys, this is agbeli kakulu. Very delicious. This is from the Volta region. Yeah.
Anh nhà lấy dụ anh.
Em là bút pha một cái.
Enjoying it.
Rồi nó cũng đổ xoay là con. Bà tôi nghe đó, mà biết ta.